Now we have solved the simple sum where we have to find the value of x, right? Now we are going to solve the workout sum of this chapter, that means second chapter, right? Now as you can see that application sum, right, we can call. Now here you can see that example number 5 first. What? Example number 5. Now example number 5 is what should be added to the twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get is equal to 7 by 3. That means first of all you have to remember this. Add means plus, subtract means minus, and what number that you have to assume as a x, right? And what should be added to the twice the rational number to get. To get means is equal to, right? Now, so first example 5 will be there. What should be added? That means required number or required rational number will be x. So we are gonna assume that number, our required rational number will be, or required number will be x. That means we have to add x to the twice the rational number of minus 7 by 3. So twice the rational number 7 by 3, that is twice means we know that it is 2 times, so 2 multiplied by 7 by 3, right? That is equal to minus 14 by 3, right? Twice the rational number. That means we have to add x to the minus 14 by 3. We get which one? We get 3 by 7. So now, so from given data we can write simply, you can understand this. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, x इसके ट्वाइस में ऐड करेंगे और हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा 3 by 7. दैट मीन्स अवर इक्वेशन विल बी x को किस में ऐड करने का, ट्वाइस द रेशनल नंबर, मतलब इसको minus 14 by 3 to get it is 3 by 7, right? Now as you can see that this will be the our equation, and we have to find the value of x. That will be our required number, right? Now as you can see that it is in numerator denominator form. So what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of 1, 3 and 7. That we know that is 21, so we have to multiply all the term by 21, right? Minus 21 multiplied by 14 upon 3, that is equal to 21 multiplied by 3 upon 7, right? So 3 7s are 7 3s are, so therefore 21 minus x minus 14 7s are 98 plus 9, correct? Now therefore x will be, 21x will be, this 98 come on this side and become plus, so 9 plus 98, right? This will be equal to 21x is equal to 107, so x is equal to 10 by 27, so I'm 21. That means what should be added? That means 107 should 107 by 21 should be added to the twice the rational number of minus 73. Then we get 3 by 7. So required number will be required number will be 107 by 21. Right? Now we will solve exercise 2.2 question number 1. This will be same of this type. Now as you can see that question will be if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Now if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that means we have to subtract 1 by 2 from any number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? That means here you can see that if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that means that number we have to assume that is x. You can take m, n or, but it will be easy if we take x. You can any alphabet from, you can take any alphabet, right? But we will take it as a x. Now that means here let required number will be x, right? Now we have to subtract 1 by 2 from the number. So 1 by 2 from, x, subtract 1 by 2 from x, that is equal to, we know that is x minus 1 by 2. Now multiply the result by 8. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply the result. That means we have to multiply x minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Multiply the result by x minus 1 half. What we gonna get? 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket x minus 1 by 2. And then we get, that is 1 by 8. That means if we subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that number we have chosen x, right? We have to subtract 1 by 2 from it. That means x minus 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply that result by 1 by 2. So subtraction will be x minus 1 by 2. We have to multiply this result by 1 by 2 upon x minus 1 half. Then we get 1 by 8. So from given data, we can definitely write x minus 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2, because we have to multiply result by 1 by 2. We get 1 by 8, right? So now as you can see that we have to multiply this 2 here and this 8 here, or we will multiply 1 by 2 in these two. So x multiplied by 1 by 2, that is x by 2. 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, it is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 8. Now if we take the LCM of 2, 4, 8, that will be 8. So we have to multiply all the term by 8. X by 2 minus 8 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8 into 8, right? So 2 2s are 4, so 4x 2 is equal to 1. So 4x, this minus 2 will come on this side and become plus. So 4x is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to 3 by 4. That means required number will be is equal to 3 by 4, right? So our answer will be 3 by 4. So if we subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and then multiply by 1 by 2, we will get the 1 by 8, right? Now we are going to discuss the example number 6, and that is perimeter of a rectangle. Now perimeter of rectangle is given. Now you know that what is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of a rectangle will be perimeter of a rectangle that is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B. That means 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. This will be the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle. Now here it says that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 30. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 13 meter, right? Now and its width, that means breadth is equal to 2 complete 3 upon 4. Breadth is given, or length into width. We will take this as a width, and that is B. That is equal to 2 complete 3 upon 4. That is 2 complete 3 upon 4 centimeter, right? So now we know that the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 13 centimeter, right? Now formula to find the perimeter of rectangle will be, and if we convert this into improper fraction, 2 4s are 8 plus 3, that means 11 by 4 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 multiplied by L plus B is equal to 13 centimeter. That means it is equal to 13. So 2 in the bracket, L is equal to, we have to find the L, right? That means length is equal to what? Is equal to x centimeter. So x plus 11 by 4, that is equal to 13, right? Now this 2 is in multiplication, so it will go in a divisor. So it will be equal to x plus 11 by 4, that is equal to 13 by 2. Now we can see that LCM will be 4. So 4 multiplied by x plus 11 by 4 multiplied by 4, 13 by 2 multiplied by 2. So this 2, this 4, sorry, here we have to multiply by 4. So this will be 2. Therefore 4x plus 11 is equal to 26, right? therefore 4x is equal to 26 minus 11. So therefore 4x is equal to 15. So therefore x is equal to 15 by 4, and that is equal to, if we divide 4 3s are 12, so it is 3 complete 3 upon 4 centimeter. So length will be 3 complete 3 upon 4 centimeter, right? Now exercise 2.2 question 2 we will gonna solve. The perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154. That means here it is given that perimeter of the pool, rectangular pool is equal to how many centimeter? 154 meter. Now it is says that its length is 2 meter more than the twice of its breadth. Now we know that in every rectangle breadth will be smaller. So in this type of sum, if their two dimension is given, then one dimension, which one is smallest one, that we have to assume as a x. So let breadth two times of breadth, let breadth of pool will be, that means swimming pool, be x meter, right? Now it is says that length is 2 meter more than its breadth, more than twice of its breadth. Right? So that means length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. Twice of its breadth means 2 multiplied by breadth plus 2. That means length of the pool will be equal to twice its breadth. That means 2 multiplied by breadth plus 2, right? So 2 multiplied by x plus 2. So length is equal to this much and breadth is equal to x meter, right? Now here we can see that perimeter of the pool is given. So perimeter of rectangular pool, that means swimming pool, what we have to find? Length and breadth. That means we have to find length and breadth. Rectangular pool will be 154 meter, and we have already discussed the perimeter will be equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, that is equal to 154. Now this 2 will go in a division. Okay. Now length is equal to 2x plus 2, breadth is equal to x, that is 154. Now this 2 will go in division, so therefore this 2x plus x will be 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 by 2. So this will be equal to 3x plus 2 154 divided by 2 is equal to 77. So 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. So that is equal to 75. So x is equal to 75 by 3. That is equal to 25. So that means breadth of the pool will be equal to, breadth is equal to x, and that is equal to 25 meter, and length will be equal to 2x plus 2. That means 2 multiplied by 25 plus 2, right? That is 25 2s are 50 plus 2. So breadth of the pool will be 52 meter. That means breadth is equal to 25 and length is equal to 52 meter. These are the required dimension, right?